In Iraq, there is a young girl named Fatima who dreams of becoming a doctor. Her family is poor and cannot afford to pay for her education. So Fatima decides to work hard and save money to pay for her schooling herself. She starts selling homemade crafts and baked goods in her community. And with her earnings, she's able to enroll in medical school. Despite facing many challenges along the way, Fatima perseveres and becomes a successful doctor, helping countless patients in her community. Through her determination and hard work, Fatima shows that with a strong will and a positive attitude, anything is possible. The story teaches us that if we set our minds to something and work hard towards it, we can achieve our dreams and make a positive impact on the world around us. Keywords: dreams, dreams, afford, afford, education, education, homemade, community, 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 earnings, earnings, challenges, challenges, perseveres, perseveres, successful, successful, countless patience, countless patience, determination, determination, positive attitude, positive attitude, impact, impact, world, world,